In this tutorial you are going to learn how can you replace accented letter with their non-accented letter by using PySpark. If you are working as a PySpark developer, data engineer, data analyst or data scientist for any organization, it requires you to be familiar with data frames because data manipulation is the act of transforming, cleansing and organizing raw data into a format that can be used for analysis and decision making. Here you can see we have a data frame having accented name, and then we are going to convert these accented names column into non-accented names. To replace accented letters with their non-accented equivalent in PySpark, we can use Python's Unicoded module in combination with a UDF, you can say user defined function. So here how can you do this step by step? So guys, please stay tuned with this video and have a lot of fun. If you have any question, any doubt, you can ask us, and please like, share and comment on this video. So first of all we are going to import some PySpark libraries and the Unicoded module. Here you can see we are importing some PySpark libraries like PySpark.sql import Spark session to create our Spark session. Then we are calling PySpark.function import UDF to define our UDF function and call them. And then we are calling PySpark.sql.types import string type to convert any data type into a string. Then we are importing Python Unicode module. Let's execute this code. After doing this we are initializing our Spark session. To do this we are creating a local variable that is Spark, then we are calling Spark session .builder .app name, and then we are giving a name to this app name that is replace accented letters .get or create. Now we are going to create user defined function. After doing this we are going to create a UDF function to normalize accented characters. Here you can see the syntax def remove underscore accents, and then we are passing input string. Then here you can see we are creating a local variable that nfkd underscore from, and then we are calling Unicode data module to normalize, decompose accented character into their base characters and combining these characters. Then we are going to execute this function as well. In the next row what we are going to do, we are going to remove accented characters. Now we are going to execute. Now we need some dummy data, or you can say it's sample data here. So in this sample data we are creating id and accented name columns. Now we are going to bind this data into our data frame. Here you can see. Now we are going to check the schema of our data frame, that is df.print schema. Here now we are going to display this data as well, df.display. Okay, now you can see. Now we are going to call our user defined function that is remove accents underscore UDF. Then you can see how we are going to apply our UDF function to the desired column. So here you can see we are creating a new column that with the help of the method called dot with columns, and we are creating this column name as a non-assigned underscore name. Then we are calling our UDF function and we are passing our column name, that is assigned name. Now we are going to display this data frame df dot display. So here you can see we are able to remove any accented letters from our data frame, and we are going to create a new column as a non hyphen accented name. So guys, you can see it is very easy to remove any accented value from your data frame by using Unicode data, that is a module from Python, and we are going to utilize this module by creating a user defined function, and we are calling this user defined function in our PySpark data frame. Thank you for watching us. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.